Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos días. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantel, and if you're a returning subscriber, what it do is poppin'. Hey, I hope you are well. Today I'm filming a get ready with me. This is actually my first get ready with me that I filmed, and I'm super excited. I don't know what dance that was, but if you want to see more about my makeup look and what I put on today, then keep on watching. You won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage. Yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either let me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm with more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Yeah. Oh, you could do damage. Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Had me coming back to back, yeah. Play it by your neck, yeah. Say you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to shut your ass up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. You know I ain't these heads on hoes, but boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Maybe not you here to stay, we'll see how it plays after. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. One time to give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood. But you gotta understand it wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now, feelings is deeper now. Get some lips, know I like to kiss, baby. Taking trips, had to get away, baby. Post some pics, all in our business. Ain't no distraction about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give it, but get to rely. I want to feel more, but you ain't right sometimes. But it can't go to waste. Any nigga who can take your place. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way fast.
contours. Perm braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat booty like Kardashians. Wanna fat booty like my auntie got a yo. We like the blood clot, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown women things I'm never having. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't bae, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kicks, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, me it's Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. That's cool, I like it. The growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you be. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. And you said this pink black girls, not area codes. These black girls we see in the shows. Be on the runways, not just move boards. On top of that, we got a CMU team. And this is the finished look. So I'm just gonna show you my outfit real quick. I put on a little black ensemble, a little top with a skirt, and I'm still deciding which heels I want to go for, but I'm gonna show you my fit real quick. This old black bomber jacket and a van to twist look, mind over matter, I can handle this. We're fine, take a second of awards in Red Sea. I think that I care too much, but all of covers the air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my tries. I was like back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it, the growth, the lies, the pain, the fight. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more get readies with me. Let me know if you want to see more get ready with me's, and adios amigos, until next time. Away, I took a little time.